What is happening? Bitcoin Bulletin crew. Get ready for a wild ride because the crypto world is absolutely exploding with news. MegaETH just tapped Lombard Finance as their primary Bitcoin partner. Huge. Then, fashion giant Mogu is making a massive splash, buying up Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. We're also diving deep into the hottest Bitcoin stocks to watch right now, with IREN, Marathon Digital, and more leading the charge. And hold on tight, because a sneaky Bitcoin scam is targeting victims in Gallatin County. You do not want to miss this. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. MegaETH teams up with Lombard Finance, Bitcoin's DeFi future unlocked. Get ready, because MegaETH has just made a massive move, officially selecting Lombard Finance as its primary Bitcoin partner right before its highly anticipated mainnet launch. This isn't just any partnership. Lombard Finance, already a powerhouse with $1.6 billion in total value locked, allowing users to earn yield on their Bitcoin, is set to revolutionize how we interact with BTC on the MegaETH network. What does this mean? Imagine minting and redeeming Bitcoin directly on MegaETH, completely bypassing those custodial wrappers. Lombard's blog post confirmed that Bitcoin on MegaETH will be native, fully backed, and not just an IOU, and crucially, permissionless. This integration is a game changer for developers, empowering them to seamlessly embed Bitcoin into their applications using Lombard's robust software development kit. This move is a clear signal of the expanding role Bitcoin is poised to play in decentralized finance, aiming to bridge the massive liquidity from centralized exchanges, where trillions are traded annually, into the DeFi ecosystem. With Bitcoin currently trading around $114,500, up a staggering 99% over the past year, this integration arrives at a pivotal moment, mirroring the broader trend of traditional finance institutions acquiring Bitcoin for their digital asset treasuries to leverage its liquidity and store of value properties. MegaETH and Lombard are essentially bringing institutional-grade treasury management tools to the decentralized world. MegaETH officials declared on X, with Lombard's institutional-grade Bitcoin infrastructure and MegaETH's real-time execution, we're unlocking something entirely new: Bitcoin capital markets. This announcement follows MegaETH Labs' recent unveiling of MegaUSD, a native stablecoin developed with Ethena Labs, designed to cut transaction costs and supercharge real-time applications, with reserves primarily backed by BlackRock's tokenized U.S. Treasury Fund. This partnership could redefine Bitcoin's place in finance, but what about companies directly betting on BTC? Next up, we're looking at a fashion company whose stock is soaring after a bold crypto investment plan, and it's not who you'd expect. Fashion forward, Mogu's stock skyrockets after $20 million Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana buy-in. Get ready to see some serious style. Nasdaq-listed fashion company Mogu has sent shockwaves through the market, with its shares soaring an incredible 76% after announcing a major strategic decision: to invest $20 million of its spare cash into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. This bold move sees the China-based Mogu, which was recently trading around $4.40 after a significant rally from below $5, aiming to diversify its treasury holdings and unlock new operational capabilities. The company stated its board believes integrating these digital assets is essential for developing next-generation AI products and services. Mogu, which went public in 2018 with early backing from Tencent Holdings, is now joining the ranks of publicly traded companies adopting crypto as a treasury asset, following the path famously blazed by MicroStrategy. While MicroStrategy has amassed a staggering 638,460 BTC worth over $73 billion, becoming the largest corporate holder, companies pivoting to crypto treasuries have often seen significant, albeit sometimes short-term, stock price gains. Despite MicroStrategy's over 2,000% stock surge since 2020, it was notably excluded from the S&P 500 index, a move J.P. Morgan analysts flagged as potentially negative for other crypto treasuries amidst investor fatigue and market overcrowding. The chosen assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest and oldest cryptocurrencies, and Solana, the sixth largest coin by market cap known for competing with Ethereum in application development, represent a significant diversification for Mogu. This strategic diversification could set a new trend in the fashion and apparel industry. While Mogu is making waves with its crypto purchases, some companies are directly in the business of mining these digital assets. Coming up, we're revealing the top Bitcoin stocks that analysts are buzzing about right now. You won't want to miss this list. Top Bitcoin stocks ignite investor interest. IREN, Marathon Digital, and more lead the pack. For all you investors looking to ride the Bitcoin wave without directly holding the coin, pay close attention. Bitcoin Bulletin's stock screener has identified 5 premier Bitcoin stocks you need to be watching: IREN, Marathon Digital, Riot Platforms, TeraWulf, and Cipher Mining. These publicly traded companies are deeply intertwined with the Bitcoin ecosystem, whether they're powering the mining operations, holding significant Bitcoin reserves on their balance sheets, or providing essential blockchain-related services. This offers a unique avenue for stock market investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price action and the broader crypto landscape. Within the last few days, these specific stocks have demonstrated the highest dollar trading volume among their peers, signaling strong investor activity and confidence. IREN Limited, formerly Iris Energy, operates large-scale Bitcoin mining data centers, while Riot Platforms, a major player in North America, segments its business across mining, data center hosting, and engineering services, also offering co-location and maintenance for institutional miners. Before you jump in, though, there's a crucial insight from Wall Street's top analysts. While IREN holds a moderate buy rating, our research indicates that 5 other stocks are currently being quietly recommended by top-rated analysts as potentially better buys before the broader market catches on. This exclusive insight could be the key to unlocking significant gains in the current market. These mining stocks are critical to the Bitcoin infrastructure, but not all attention on Bitcoin is positive. Next, we're tackling a serious issue: a sophisticated Bitcoin scam targeting unsuspecting residents. Stay tuned. Bitcoin scam alert: fake warrants target Gallatin County residents. Attention Gallatin County. A disturbing phone scam is currently targeting residents, and the sheriff's office is urging everyone to be on high alert. Scammers are impersonating law enforcement officers, claiming victims have an active warrant, and then instructing them to withdraw cash and convert it into Bitcoin to avoid immediate arrest. This brazen tactic preys on fear and urgency. The Gallatin County Sheriff's Office wants to make it unequivocally clear: law enforcement will never call you to demand money or payment for a warrant, nor will they ever request cryptocurrency like Bitcoin as a form of settlement. Warrants are not resolved over the phone, and certainly not through electronic payment apps or digital currencies. Officials are strongly advising residents not to provide any personal information, withdraw cash, or send any currency if they receive such a call. If you are ever unsure about the legitimacy of a call claiming to be from law enforcement, the safest course of action is to end the call immediately. Independently look up the official phone number of the respective law enforcement agency and call them back directly to verify. This sophisticated scam highlights the ongoing need for vigilance in the digital age. Authorities are encouraging anyone who receives one of these fraudulent calls to report the incident immediately to the Gallatin County Sheriff's Office at 465-8220-100 or your local law enforcement agency. Your report can help protect others from falling victim. Stay safe out there and remember to always verify. Now, let's quickly recap the biggest stories we covered today. All right, Bitcoin Bulletin crew, that's a wrap. We saw MegaETH partner with Lombard Finance to bring native Bitcoin to DeFi. Fashion company Mogu's stock surged after buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. We highlighted the hottest Bitcoin stocks like IREN and Marathon Digital, and warned about a dangerous Bitcoin scam in Gallatin County. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto updates, hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, make sure to follow us on all our social media channels for more real-time insights. We'll see you in the next one.